Hi folks, Saeed Johnson, Marine Back Sailing Ski. Come with me on this walkthrough. It should be informative and fun.
The 2019 Super Air Nautique G25. This particular model that we have in stock is Mystic White, Steel Blue, Metal Flake exterior. This boat also comes equipped with titanium colored sea deck. It's got the surf pipe, it's got the Nautique integrated steering assist, accompanied by underwater lighting. It's a beauty on the outside. This boat's got the vertical strapless board rack and a Bimini that protects you very well. Also, you'll notice lots of coverage for visibility in the large size mirror. The G25 has an 83-gallon tank for fuel. It's got the direct injected 6.2 liter 450 horsepower engine, creates lots of torque, 19-person seating capacity, and factory ballast maximum is 2,850 pounds. Also in 2019, you will notice that Nautique put a new windshield on this boat. It has the hand-stitched steering wheel. The colors also came inside from the exterior. Ergonomically, this boat has probably one of the best helms you'll ever find. It's easy access, throttle, selector knob to the LINC Panoray screen, very comfortable. The seat's very nice, it swivels, and it also has an easy access turnaround pocket cut in for your thigh. Battery switch is very readily accessible. You've got RGB lighting inside the boat for courtesy, and you have the 8.8 speakers that also have the overhead lighting that adds or enhances the courtesy lighting.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.